Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the Venmo team for support. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're facing various issues within your Venmo account, then in order to contact the support team, just open up your iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. You can then tap on the search box and search for the Venmo app. Once you find the Venmo application, go ahead and tap on it and you will find the app support option. Tap on the drop-down menu and you will see the support email for Venmo. Just tap on the email address and you can use your email app to contact the support team. Once you select your support app, you will directly be taken into your email. Now, within the subject section, you can type in whatever it is you are contacting the Venmo support team about, and within the main body section, just explain your issue in detail. Now, after you type in your entire support email, tap on the send button at the top right corner and the Venmo support team will receive your email, and you will simply need to wait for their response. Once you receive a response from the Venmo support team, you will be able to troubleshoot whatever issue you are facing with the Venmo app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the Venmo support team. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.